Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to find message settings in Pinterest application on Android device. Well, message settings allows you to control who can send you message on Pinterest. Knowing how to access message settings enables you to adjust privacy settings to your preferences, such as allowing message from anyone, only from people you follow, or from no one. So let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Pinterest application. Next, click profile icon. Okay, so in this page, you can click settings at the top right corner, and then choose social permissions. Well, here you can tap on message settings, and then you can set it according to your need. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to find message settings in Pinterest application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.